Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to be doing project number 2 from the Hawthorn card and making workshop. Excuse me. Now, today when I'm doing this, it's October 27th, and remember I do have one of these kits to give away to anybody who has placed an order within the month of October. I've had such a great response, we're actually going to be doing 3 giveaways. So not all of the same thing. There'll be different things, but I will tell you about that when we do them, which would be somewhere in the beginning of November. Let's go ahead and do our stamping first. So we have these acorns. It says we have to stamp them on white daisy. The die, there's a die for this. It's a pine cone die. Ink is charcoal, and we need to make 2 per card. I'm only going to do 1 card on screen, and then I'll do the rest off screen. That's not too bad. That one. Okay. Going with that. Let me try one more because this one looks more bold. Let's just do one more, so they can at least match. They can both be bold or both be not. Yeah, that's better. That's the first time I stamped it. I didn't practice stamp first. I had my Tim Holtz stamp platform out earlier. Y'all would have been so proud of me. Okay, so we're gonna do this one, and it says it's a rock and roll technique. What we're gonna do is we're gonna stamp the whole, we're gonna cover the whole stamp with saffron, and then we're just gonna roll the edges in paprika. I've never done this technique, so let's see how Becky can mess this up today. Y'all know I always do something crazy. I always do something messed up. So today's Sunday. Jim and I usually go out on Sundays, but we went out on Saturday instead of going out on Sunday. So woohoo! I did this weekend. I did a couple challenges over at a Cherry on Top, which were really fun. I'll be having videos for those eventually. So then we do just the edges in the paprika. Okay, let's see what this looks like. I'm going to wipe off the ink that I got on my stamp block because I almost always smudge it onto my cardstock. I don't know how I do it, but I do. Alright, let's see how this turns out. Pushing hard. Okay. Not too bad. It's kind of cute. That's what it looks like. That's what it turned out like. You see it? It's not too bad. Alright, do you think we should do that one more time? Let's just do that one more time. Just to see what happens. I might have squished it way too much. We'll see. I might have pushed it too hard on it. I'm just going to cover my stamp with the saffron. Then I'm going to take the paprika and cover the edges. Just dabbing. Oh shoot. Okay, I definitely need to wipe my block off that time. I dropped that paprika on my block. Okay, let's try this one more time and see what happens. I love this stamp chamois, guys. I bought it from Close to My Heart, and they come in a pack of 2. I just stored it in you know, like a little Ziploc bucket with water in it. Keep it nice and moist. I did not get... Okay, first of all, I'm not even trying to stamp it with the stamp part down. Ding dong. But I didn't get all this stuff off either. Okay. Don't even ask me what my problem is, because I don't know. I don't know how I messed stuff up. Okay, this time I'm not pressing quite as hard. We'll see what happens. Nope, still looks pretty much the same. I don't know if I like how it stamps in that color. Okay, we're just gonna go with it. Then we have this. I've already die cut these. I don't know if I should have die cut them yet. I have this, and we need to stamp on it "Grateful for You" in paprika. And then when we're done with that, we're gonna go away, or I'm gonna go away and die cut those acorns out. Okay. Grateful for You. Is that supposed to really be in paprika? No, guys, I'm a big fat liar. It goes in charcoal. At least I noticed that before I stamped it down that time. Okay, try it again. Okay. Let's try it again. Grateful for You. Please stamp straight. Keep my banner sticking. Okay. That came out pretty good. Alright, let me turn this off and go die cut out those pine cones and also this dilly majaba right there. I will be right back. Alright guys, so I did some stamping and some die cutting and some tying of little twine bows. All things you do not want to see. So we'll go ahead and put this together. So this is going to go on here, right about here ish. It's going to go across toward the bottom. I didn't read how far up it said to put it. Okay, and then this is going to go right about here, but we're going to rip it. Rip. I ripped that one good. Real good. Rip it good. Rip it real good. Alright, I don't really like how that looks. I can rip it a little bit more. Okay. So this is going to go right about here. It's going to go right about here. And then this, I think that goes up a little bit further. I mean, I'm sure it doesn't make a big difference, but whatever. This is gonna go right about here. And then the Grateful for You, I put it on foam tape. It's gonna go right about like that. It's gonna go right about like that. Ish. Then we've got the bow. We're gonna stick right there. It says to put it down with a glue dot, but last time I did that on a card, I think it was sequins or something. I had to put with a glue dot. Well, the glue dot, even though it was a bling dot, was bigger than what I put down. So when the card, when I was trying to, you know, mail it to somebody, and I had put it in the envelope, the sticky from the glue dot was getting stuck onto the envelope on the inside. I did not like that, and I was like, I'm not doing that no more. When it's on my scrapbook pages, that's not a big deal, because once they're in the page, that's where they stay. No one's pulling them out. Well, I mean, not usually anyway. Okay, so there's my bow. Then we had to put the acorns on them, and these are supposed to go up on some foam tape. It says follow how it is, because these are the same acorns pretty much. It says follow how it is on there. So this is going to go down. And put these together like this. And then it says put them up on foam tape. So now they're stuck together, and then we're going to put them up on foam tape. Bam. That's. Bam. That's pretty cool. Easy peasy, guys. This is really easy. And then we just got to put it on the card, right? It goes like that. Super cute. Super cute. Then we just take our card, and we're going to stick it on the card like that. It's very cute. When I do the next ones, I'm going to try not to mess up the rip, so it'll be out just a little bit longer. But I jacked that rip up. It's supposed to be more jaggedy than I have mine. It's supposed to be jaggedy like I had mine the first time. But because you saw how I ripped it, it was kind of floppy right there. Yeah, wasn't going to work. Well, you know, it would have been fine. I just didn't like it. Personally. I just personally didn't like it. Okay, so this is a little off, and that's alright. Bam. There's our card. Yay. Alright guys, well I'm going to finish making the rest of these, and then we will come back and do a project number 3, and at the end of it we will have 15 cards. So after I made that first one, I put together the rest of them. Cute, 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 cute. And then I'm going to put together the rest of these, and then we will come back and do this one. Cute. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.